Okay, still here at Griffith Observatory. Now we're downstairs at the Big Picture exhibit. And right here in front of me is the exhibit that represents our solar system at relative size. And the first thing is planetoid Pluto. And as I shift this way, you can see Neptune and Uranus, and then Saturn. Behind Saturn is going to be Jupiter. All of these are relative size one to another. And there's Jupiter. The small objects at the far end of the room represent Mars, Earth, Venus, and Mercury. And then the large wall over there that's curved actually represents the curvature and size and surface of the sun relative to the planets, all laid out for us here. Let me see if I can get a better view. So here we are with our whole solar system laid out. Really hard to see Pluto sitting there at the end of that pole right there. And then Neptune, Uranus, Saturn, Jupiter, Mars, Earth, Venus, Mercury, and then all of this is the sun. Not just that disk, but this whole thing from here all the way around back up over there. It's supposed to be the sun by relative size. And behind me, we have what they call the Big Picture, which is this giant wall showing the night sky. And if I were to take my finger and do this while looking up at the night sky like this, my finger would cover up as much as you see here on the wall. This was taken through a telescope and then put onto plates of ceramic, so that it will last and last, and people can take pictures of it over and over again. Runs the length of the room from that end all the way back over to here. And over here in the corner, we'll see a little picture they have Albert Einstein showing you why they call it the Big Picture. And he's holding up his finger to show that everything you see on the wall could be covered up by just your finger. Just like that. And that's all it takes to show this much of the universe. It's just that big. So it's time we got back to the moon and started exploring our own solar system and learning how to explore the universe around us in the same way early pioneers once had to learn to explore the planet we live on and realize it was much, much bigger than they had imagined. Every time we seem to think we understand the nature of the universe, we find out it's bigger still. So the sooner we get started on developing the technologies needed to explore the universe, the better. I hope I can encourage everyone to come down here to Griffith Observatory and see some of these fantastic exhibits for themselves and learn more about our solar system and learn more about the universe we live in and just how amazing it is. Let's see if I can find another exhibit for us.